Hello Jollinatics! Naghahanap ba kayo ng Instagrammable na lugar na mapupuntahan ngayong summer? Mapa-staycation man yan or di kaya para sa mga private events and gatherings? Well, for today's video, meron kaming isi-share sa inyong indoor private resort that offers restaurant, cafe, and events place all at the same time and meron nga ding overlooking view ng Laguna Lake. Bali, nandito nga tayo sa Roca del Garda, located along Manila East National Road, Binangonan, Rizal. Papasok nga lang kayo dyan sa Montevideo Subdivision and may babayaran lang kayong 20 pesos sa may guardhouse. And madali nyo nga lang tong makikita dahil sa exterior pa lang ng resort nila na may pagka-modern industrial design, agaw pansin na talaga. They also have ample parking space kaya naman hindi problema kung may dala kayong mga sasakyan. And pagpasok mo naman, sasalubungin ka talaga ng kanilang very accommodating staff at yes, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, indoor private resort ito kaya naman hindi masyadong ramdam init. And since cafe and resto nga rin sila, dito na nga rin kami nag-breakfast. We tried their iced coffee and hot chocolate, plus ang premium na tsokolate yung ginamit. Not too sweet and meron ka pa rin pait na malalasahan sa kokwa. Ito naman yung kanilang crunchy brochetta bread, topped with tomato relish. Tapos sumubok nga rin kami ng kanilang pizziola pasta. If into Italian style pasta ka, this one is for you. Rich and thick yung tomato sauce and for me maasim talaga siya, although nababalance naman siya ng alat ng parmesan cheese. Ito naman yung kanilang spaghetti aglio olio. For me panalo to, again sakto lang yung alat na galing sa parmesan and it has a good amount of olive oil. Heavy meal naman tayo with their pizza bonanza. Yung lasa neto parang all meat flavor, although hindi lang sila yung gumagawa ng dough pero quality pa din yung texture and for us masarap. Ito naman yung list ng iba pa nilang menu at meron nga rin sila ditong iba pang amenities like darts for adults and kids, billiards, karaoke, and kung gusto mo nga lang magmuni-muni, you can do it while relaxing your eyes sa overlooking view ng Laguna Lake and Sierra Madre. Dito naman yung outdoor area nila, relaxing, mahangin at ang sarap lang mag-chill. Tapos meron nga rin sila ditong bonfire area, perfect during night with your barkadas and families while doing s'mores roasting. Tapos yan, kitang-kita nyo naman, ang sarap talagang enjoyin yung view habang lumalanghap ng sariwang hangin. Nga pala, they also have designated conference room here for business meetings and other closed-door stuff. Saktong-sakto yan. For staycation naman, they have different types of rooms, depende sa laki ng grupo nyo. Yung inavail nga namin dito is yung kanilang clan room, fully air-conditioned, may kasamang 2 double-deck beds, small dining area and TV at syempre malinis na CR. Nandito naman sa second floor yung kanilang family and couples room. This is one of their family rooms. It has an environmental theme and I like the different green color schemes. Ang sarap nga lang sa mata eh. May 1 queen size bed, 1 double deck bed and meron na lang living area. This is also a family room. Very earthy yung theme with the wooden designs and matching brown accents. Wala tong living area pero meron namang additional bed. Punta naman tayo sa kanilang mga couples room. This one has a modern and a bit of futuristic design. Clean but still dashing yung appearance niya eh. Punta naman tayo sa isa pang couples room. Dito naman as you can see, simple lang pero mapapansin mo na agad yung Igorot style displays. Still neat and nothing too fancy. Punta na nga tayo sa last couples room. Ito naman parang may pagka-aquatic design na hindi overwhelming sa paningin. Actually, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat ng interior designs ng rooms nila. And pagsapit naman ng gabi, lalo mong ma-appreciate yung place kasi nagiging mix of romantic and relaxing yung overall vibes ng resort. Ang gaganda nga ng mga combination ng lights, accents, fixtures, and overall design ng resort. Lalo na nga dito pag akyat mo sa kanilang music lounge, ay grabe, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga. Lalo na dito sa kanilang bar area na akala mo nasa hotel ka eh. Ang lakas talagang makasosyal and kung manginginom ka, spot mo talaga to. Tapos yung isa pang astig dito, yung mismong music lounge nila, ang laki, fully air conditioned, akalain mo ang nasa mamahaling kang bistro eh. But the good news is yes, this is still part of Roca del Garda and isa nga to sa mga pinagmamalaki nilang amenities. Legit nga, ang ganda ng sound quality ng karaoke system nila. And pagtapos nga namin magkantahan, we just had a quick dip sa kanilang indoor swimming pool. And for dinner naman, we tried their famous and bestseller chicken binakol. Honestly, first time ko makakatikim neto and ang sarap ng mismong sabaw. May pagka slightly gingery and spicy, tapos sweet and savory yung sabaw since pinakuluan to gamit yung mismong coconut juice. Yung chicken naman halos full of the bones na sa lambot at bagay na bagay talagang pang ulam. Tapos ang sarap din niyang mismong coconut meat and for me this is a must try pag bumisita kayo dito. So there you go, Jollinatics. Sana nabigyan na naman namin kayo ng idea kung saan magandang pumunta this summer season. Mapasimpleng staycation man yan o di kaya naman venue for special events and occasion, talaga namang highly recommended dito sa Roca del Garda. And for any other inquiries, please feel free to check their Facebook page or message them directly at meron silang mga accommodating admins to assist you. And kung nag-enjoy nga kayo sa video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and follow our page for more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching!